So one of the key movements that we're going to work on today is sacral translation. You can imagine that every time you're walking, your sacrum and your pelvis are shifting side to side. So this side actually doesn't move. So every time I'm walking, one side shifts, the other side goes back. So it's a backward, forward translation. I'm going to exaggerate that motion of your pelvis as you're walking. So in movements like lunges and squats and hinging and all of those things, we have to be able to access the motion of the pelvis on the sacrum. So all you need for this exercise is a foam roller, and if you've got, grab yourself a wall that you can put your feet on, and if not, then you're going to want to be up next to a chair or a bench so that you can rest your heels lightly on the chair, bench, or couch so that you can push up from the heels into the chair bench. So you're going to lie flat on your back. So you're going to lie flat on your back and put the foam roller in between the knees. If the back is too arched, then you're going to bring that low back down towards the ground. I don't want you to shove the low back into the ground. Just make sure that you're nice and neutral in the spine. If we're flaring the rib cage up at all, we're just going to relax it down into the belly. We're going to grip the foam roller with the knees. The hands are going to go lightly at the sides. What you're going to do is take a deep breath in. And then as you let it all the way out, we're going to raise up the pelvis. And then slowly, we're going to start to shift the knees. One goes up, the other one goes down. Come back to neutral. One goes up, the other one goes down as we roll the foam roller in between the knees. Notice any tension that you may have in your lower back, not shifting side to side this way. It is a straight up and down motion of the roller. And then lower back down lightly. Make sure that you're breathing all the way through. You guys notice that I'm breathing and able to talk to you during this motion.